This Grundig Tumble Dryer looks after your clothes so you don't have to, with features that help to make drying your laundry less of a chore. The sensor programs use sensors to measure the moisture within the drum and to automatically stop the cycle at the desired level of dryness, keeping your clothes protected from over-drying whilst helping to save energy. The LED display is easy to read and shows the remaining time of any cycle, as well as any preset delay time, so you can plan around your tumble dryer and get on with other household chores. The anti-creasing function uses periodic drum rotation to separate the laundry for up to 2 hours after the cycle is finished. This greatly helps to reduce creasing and saves time when it comes to ironing. Care for your clothes with this gentle yet powerful tumble dryer from Grundig, helping to make laundry time that bit easier.